Hello, welcome again. We are solving elementary mathematics paper of year 2023 of CBS exam 2. Question number 54 is the corners of an equilateral triangular plate were cut in such a manner that it forms a regular hexagonal plate. What is the ratio of the area of the triangular plate to the area of the hexagonal plate? Option A 2:1, option B 3:2, option C 4:3, and option D 5:3. So here this is your triangular plate and it is an equilateral triangle with 5x. So now its corners are cut in such a way that this is your regular hexagon. So for regular hexagon these sides should be equal. So if it is x by 3, this will be 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 x by 3. So it can be obtained only when we cut at a distance x by 3 from this corner. Okay, so this will be x by 3 and x by 3 from this corner, then the rest will be your x by 3. So this will be your x by 3, this will be 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 x by 3. So this is your regular hexagon and this is your equilateral triangle. So first of all, taking triangular plate, so here base is your x, so base is your x and perpendicular will be your, this is your x hypotenuse, and this is will be draw a line here, perpendicular line, then this will be your x by 3 hypotenuse and this will be your base, that is x by 2, and perpendicular will be your x square minus x by 2 whole square root. Okay, so it will be x into root 4x square minus x square by 4. Solving this, 4 will 4 root will be 2 and 2 into 2 will be 4. This is 4x square minus x square, that is root 3x square into x by 4, or root 3 by 4 x square. So this is equation number 1. So that is your area of this whole triangular plate. So now if we want to find out the area of this cut portion, so this is also an equilateral triangle with side as x by 3. Using same formula, putting x is equal to x by 3, we get the area of this cut portion. As there are 3 cut portions, 1, 2 and 3, so we will multiply with 3 also. So solving this, we will get root 3x square by 4 into 9 into 3, or root 3x square by 12. Okay, now this is the area of cut portion, and area of hexagon will be area of plate minus area of cut portion. So area of hexagon is area of hexagon is area of plate, that is root 3 by 4 x square, and area of cut portion is root 3x square by 12. So solving it, we will get area of hexagon as 2 root 3x square by 12 for this is equation number 2, and this is equation number 1. The required ratio is 1 by 2. So 1 is area of triangular plate, that is root 3 by 4 x square, and 2 is area of hexagon, that is 2 root 3 by 12 x square. So solving this, we get the ratio as 3:2. Answer is option B.